In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coupon in Wix. If you own an online store or simply want to add a discount to your existing website, creating a coupon is a fantastic way to attract customers and boost sales. So let's dive in and get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Wix account. Head over to Wix.com and enter your login credentials. Once you've signed in, you'll want to navigate to your Wix dashboard. This is where all the magic happens and where you control the various features of your website. Make sure you're in the dashboard of the specific site where you want to create your new coupon. With that sorted, we can move on. Now that you're in your dashboard, the next step is to locate the right section where you can create your coupon. Depending on the specifics of your site, this might be slightly different. For those with an online store, you'll want to click on Apps and then select Wix Stores, or however, if your website setup is a little different or if you don't see Wix Stores, you might need to navigate to the Marketing and SEO section and look for coupons or discounts. Wix provides these flexible options, allowing you to tailor your discount strategy to best suit your setup. Once you're in the right place, it's time to create a fresh coupon. You should see the option to create new coupon or a button marked plus new coupon. Click on it and you'll open up the interface where you'll be setting the parameters for your coupon. First, you'll need to give your coupon a name, which will also be your coupon code. Think of something easy for customers to remember, like welcome 10. This is what your customers will enter at checkout to receive their discount. Following this, it's time to decide on what type of discount you'd like to offer. Wix gives you three main options. The first is a percentage discount. This is where you'd offer a certain percentage off the customer's purchase, for example, 10% off. The second option is a fixed amount discount where you take a specific dollar amount off their total, such as $5 off any order. Lastly, you can choose free shipping, which applies specifically to the shipping costs involved in the purchase. These options allow you to create enticing offers tailored to different customer needs and shopping habits, and that's all you need to do to create a coupon in Wix. Using these tools effectively can significantly impact your sales and customer satisfaction. So take some time to think about which type of discount best suits your goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide can assist you in enhancing your business offerings.